You're not supposed to fall. And then there's Hunter. And then there's Mitchell.
No.
And Joey's over there like a loner.
Brandon, you can't do this. Brandon can't do this.
That's simple.
Yeah, I can't. I do that pretty well. Wait, Tyler, here. I'm gonna do. Where are you going? Butt buddies are gay people that like salad. I'm going up here. Oh, screw you, Tyler. That sucks. There's a car coming.
Hey, get my bike back, white boy.
I need my bike. I'm only going here. There might be cars.